Hi, first grade. This is Tuesday, May 12th, and this is what your assignment looks like. On number 1, you're writing the sums and differences. So, remember we add the ones place first, then the tens, then the hundreds. It does not remind us that we are carrying. We have 2 boxes to remind us. 3 plus 6 is the ones place. We add first, it equals 9. 4 plus 8 equals 12. I cannot put 12 down here, but I can regroup. This is a bundle of 10 tens, which is 100, which leaves me with 2 tens left. 1 plus 7 plus 1 equals 8. Down here, it says we need to color these shapes. A trapezoid is red. Remember, a trapezoid has shapes like this, where it's not quite a straight line. A trapezoid can be like this, or like this. That is what a trapezoid is. It says a hexagon is black, and a hexagon has 6 sides. So here is a hexagon. There are a lot of hexagons in here. This whole picture will be colored. See, right here is another trapezoid as well, and here is another one. And I see at least 1 or 2 more. Their shape they want us to color is triangles. They want us to color them a blue, so you're going to find a triangle and color it blue. They're going to want you to find a square to color orange. Here's a square hiding behind the shape. And they want you to color circles gray. If you don't have a gray, I'm going to take my black pencil, and this is my black one. I'm going to color the black in darker, but for gray, I'm going to color it really, 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 really light. If you have a gray, great. But when I color it really, really light, it looks like it's gray. And then a circle is, whoops, I made a mistake. The light gray is supposed to be for, circle, and a square is orange. I did that. Purple rectangle. That's the one I'm missing. So I will do purple triangle. Like this. On number 3, it says how many cents? And you're setting the time on the clock. Remember, your hour hand is longer. You're going to count by tens. We have 115. We would go 125. Remember, the tens place changes. On the back side of this paper, we had another Khan Academy video. We need to follow the directions. It says circle each group of 5 buttons. They want you to circle them for all of them, and then say A, how many groups of buttons? I circled 1, 2, 3, 4. How many buttons are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we count to find how many buttons? Well, if they're in groups of 5, we would go 5, 10, 15. So we're going to count by 5. And how many buttons in all? We go 5, 10, 15, 20. We would write that as 5 times 4, or 4 times 5 equals 20. They're going to ask you to do the same thing for the pennies. I found circling groups like this of 5 works the best. And then answering the questions. On the back side, or on the next page, this is our letters and sounds. They give you the word carrot, sparrow, and parrot. It has the air and carry. And these are the ones that have the ire in fire. And then there's a whir in worms. And you're going to answer the riddles or the sentences. And they have pictures to help you. So I am a talking bird. Am I a carrot, a sparrow, or a parrot? This one is a parrot. Parrots are very colorful. On the back side, it says double the final consonant, then add the suffix. So zip will look like this with 2 P's because you're doubling it. For zipper, then zipping. We have you are, and when I make it into a contraction, it's going to be your. He's, what 2 words? Is that he will, he is, or he did? On the bottom, we have the special sounds C in city. Remember, only if it has an I, an E, or a Y after it. We have the sp, an oo, a sh. In banana, we have the 2 U's. We have D, G, E, F, R, B, R, O, W, I, E, C, R, E, A, W, H, and an E, D. Once they go back, then we mark the vowels. If you notice in the first one, the only vowel they marked was the E, not the AU, because it's part of the special sound. We have another page of B's for practice. I want you to notice I slanted a bit for my B, and I take my time so that it falls in the line, and I am pausing before I loop up. I'm going to make sure I do some B's on the bottom row as well. And remember, when you do the G on cabbage, it will hang low down to that line. Then we have this one right here. Hey Google, stop. Where it says complete the facts about the moon. There's a video on your link for you to complete this, and you will complete this paper. Notice there's no spelling to write. You can write it in your journal, use the words to help you, or you can say spell same with your parent, or you can do both. And then you answer Tuesday's question. And that's the work for today.